Hello everyone, and welcome back to the ToupTek Astro channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the StellaVita capture plan workflow. This is the key step to achieving fully automated, unattended overnight imaging. If you have any questions about device connection, focusing, polar alignment, or guiding, feel free to check out our previous videos. Before starting your imaging plan, you can first select your target and frame. Then take a single test exposure to ensure your gain, exposure time, and other parameters are properly set. Tap the small icon on the main interface to enter the star map. In the star map interface, the top right corner is the core control area. Enable the compass, and the sky will automatically adjust based on your orientation. The floating window in the bottom right displays the center coordinates of the simulated field of view. The blue icon at the bottom left lets you quickly return to the main interface. The layer button allows you to toggle the Alt-As coordinate grid and landscape, helping you determine object positions. The blue frame represents your target field of view and composition, while the orange frame shows the actual pointing position of your equipment. There are several ways to select your target. Tap Search on the right side of the star map and enter the object name or catalog number. Tap the blue icon next to the search bar to open the object library, which also supports search. Or manually pan across the sky and tap directly on your desired target. After selecting a target, tap Center Simulation in the top right to automatically center it. If you're not satisfied with the framing angle, tap Frame Rotation to adjust it. The system will indicate how much you need to manually rotate your imaging train. Once your target and composition are set, tap Slew to and center. The mount will automatically slew the telescope to the target. After slewing, the system will perform plate solving to verify pointing accuracy. Once solved, you can enable the crosshair overlay to confirm whether the target is centered. If there is any offset, simply repeat the go-to and plate solving process. Alternatively, you can quickly access the object library via the input box under Polar Alignment in the Mount section. Enter a target ID and perform go-to and plate solving directly. Once you're satisfied with the framing, tap the bottom right button to add it to your imaging plan for further setup. After successful plate solving, take a test exposure. Adjust gain and exposure time based on the target brightness, and check image clarity and star sharpness. Once the parameters are suitable, you're ready to move on to plan imaging. Capture plan is the final step for achieving fully automated, unattended astrophotography. StellaVita uses a 3-layer logic system to streamline the entire process. To create a plan, tap Plan in the bottom left, then select Capture Plan. In the new interface, tap the plus button to create a new plan. There are 2 options to select your targets. Use your current position or previously added targets from the star map, or search for a new target in the object library. You can also customize the target name. Once the target is selected, configure detailed settings. Start Delay allows time for system stabilization. Slew to Target plus Auto Center automatically aligns and centers the target. Guiding, choose whether to start guiding at the beginning and stop at the end. Autofocus, highly recommended, especially with temperature changes. Enable temperature-based autofocus to maintain sharp stars throughout the night. Subtask settings apply to specific frame types. Choose light frames or calibration frames such as flat, dark, and bias. Set the number of frames, exposure time, gain, bin mode, and filter channel. You can also set plan capture settings for all tasks. Tap the icon in the top right corner to access it. Set start and end times to match your imaging window. Configure post-imaging actions such as mount parking and cooling shutdown. These help protect your equipment, conserve power, and reduce the risk of issues. Finally, select your configured plan and tap Start Imaging to execute automatically. This is the three-layer structure of StellaVita plan imaging: target rules, sub-task rules, plan capture rules. That concludes our StellaVita beginner tutorial. Stay tuned for more advanced tips and features. You're also welcome to share your StellaVita imaging experience with us.